Our notes today are going to tell us how to write equations of parallel lines and perpendicular lines in slope-intercept form. We learned this skill in Unit 2 back in Trimester 1, so we're going to revisit it. The problem is the equation of the line that passes through 3, 1 and is parallel to the line y equals 1/3 x plus 4. I'm going to follow these steps in the left column and do the work in the right-hand side. My first step says to find the slope of the line. So the slope of my current line is 1/3. Because it says parallel, I'm going to keep the slope the same because parallel lines have the same slope. Next, I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. This is just so that I can figure out what I need to fill in. I'm now going to label my x, my y, and my m. So I know that my y value is going to come from this coordinate that was given. So 1 equals, the slope is 1/3, times x, which is 3, I'm going to turn it into a fraction, plus b. So I've done steps 1 through 4, because I've substituted into my y equals mx plus b equation. My fifth step says to solve for b, so I'm going to use order of operations and inverse operations to do that. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 1 is also 3. And then I'm going to bring plus b, my equal sign, and my 1 down. 3 divided by 3 is 1. I subtract 1 on both sides to solve for b. These cancel and leave me with just the b. These cancel and are also just 0. Therefore, my b or my y-intercept for my new line is 0. My last step says to rewrite the new equation with my original slope as 1/3 and my new y-intercept is 0. So in y equals mx plus b, I'm going to substitute this for 1/3, bring down the x, and because b is 0, I'm going to leave this blank. So this equation that I've just created is parallel to the original equation I was given, and I know that because I borrowed the slope from that equation. So again, this is the original equation, and this is the new equation that I created that is parallel to the original. So if I graphed them, they would look something like this.